In this video, let's see how to install front wheel spacers.
A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your edge is by installing front wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Use a cross wrench to loosen the lug nut on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nut. Remove the wheel of the hub. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forge FT cooling front wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS Forward Edge wheel spacers is the FT cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. Install the ring and then install a stock nut. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. After installing the front wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommend checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months, and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving. Let's see what's the difference after installing 20mm front edge wheel spacers.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.